G'day crew, Ross here in the shed. And today let's talk about two very important and related subjects. The first one is old things. Not me, it. And the second one is climate change. And we live in a consumerist society where everyone is going, I've got to have the latest, greatest, shiny object. So when we have old things, we're more likely to throw them away and buy new things. And if you want to look at one of the causal factors of climate change, it would be the thousands of ships and planes and trucks that are delivering things around the planet, much of which we don't actually need. Now, I get onto Marketplace or Gumtree quite often, and I pick myself up on the weekend a $20 compost bin. These are 400 litres and they're hard to find. And if we look on the inside, we've got that dark plastic. It's thick. A lot of the new ones are a lot thinner. They're just not built as well. But look at it. It doesn't look great. But we're going to bring this back to life because there's no need to cut this up and throw it in a bin and then buy a new one. What I'll do is I'll melt the top layer of the polymer and that'll bring this back to new. And you can do this with a lot of plastics. You can do this with plastic chairs, for example. What you want to do is be careful of the fumes they give off. So I've got a very big shed here with a fair amount of air in it, so that's okay. But I'm not doing it outside because wind affects the heat gun and you make it very hard to be consistent. So we'll speed it up and we'll see how this goes and what it looks like when I'm finished. And that's the finished product. In total, probably 50 minutes. I've melted out a lot of the pitting and scarring caused by the photodegradation, which is the oxidization of the plastic caused by exposure to sunlight and oxygen. Now it looks fine. I'll get 10 years out of this at least. So don't chuck out your old things just because they're old. Older stuff is generally built better than current stuff or new stuff. And so with a little bit of time, a little bit of effort, you can bring this stuff back. Helps the planet, helps your wallet, helps the environment, helps everyone. That's it guys, you know what's next. Thanks for your time, as always, I appreciate it. And until next time, happy fixing. See ya.